Today I'm going to show you how I made this. This clock tells the time, this clock tells what day of the week it is. This is going to be a short video, no agenda here. I'm going to jump right in and show you how I did it. First things first, you need to pick up a clock. You can see here I got this one from some thrift store, I don't remember, but it was only $3.99. A simple clock with this housing in the back. Then go ahead and open up said clock. Obviously everyone's going to be a little bit different, but this one came apart pretty easily. A few screws and then the back popped right off. The actual clock mechanics and housing didn't have any screws, just was clipped in. Later come to find out these are all generally a universal size, but I'll get back to that in a second. Next up, we need to create a new face for this clock. Obviously this clock has 12 hours. I need mine to essentially make a pie, each slice of the pie being a day of the week. So what I did is I traced the face on some thicker cardstock, cut out the circle, made sure it fit, and then also cut out a hole in the middle. Once you've done that, this now brings me to the most tedious part of the process. Go on the internet and print out a template for that 7-day clock. There's plenty on Google Images. You're gonna wanna cut that circle out as well and line up the center. You can either glue that directly on your piece of cardstock, or what I did is traced it and redrew it on my new clock face that I made. Simple Sharpie marker and a steady hand made this. Then take spray adhesive or a glue stick, and this part is important. Make sure the top and bottom are correct. Make sure you align the bottom of the clock with your new decal and secure it firmly like so. Last but not least, you're gonna put in the new clock housing. I'll put the link down below where I found this, but they make these clocks specifically for this reason. It does a full 360-degree rotation in exactly 7 days. I think I paid about 15 bucks for it. The rest is pretty self-explanatory. You're gonna clip everything back together, reattach the hand to the clock, put on the front plate and the back plate, and your 7-day clock is now complete. Hopefully this is helpful and fun. Until next time, see you later.